Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Carol Champas. I am 33 years old, married and have two children. Living at Antag-in, Luacan, Itogon, Benguet. I have 5 brothers and 3 sisters. I am the 7th child of the family. I am a college undergraduate, ma'am. My work experience in Singapore as a domestic helper for 2 years is to serve two elderly, ages of 84 and 82 years old. And also, I have experience as a housemaid here in Philippines for 4 years. I serve one couple and have two children, ages of 6 years old and 8 years old. My duties to my previous employers are cleaning, washing, cooking, ironing, and taking care of elderly and taking care of children. Please select me, ma'am, as your helper. I am honest, responsible, loyal, patient, and can easily learn. And also, I will try my best to finish my 2 years contract and willing to extend as much as you need, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am, and God bless.